Have you been looking for that perfect Three Sisters view? Then this one's for you. This is the kind of Canmore opportunity investors wait for, and it's one that very rarely comes to market. A 4-bedroom villa in Spring Creek Mountain Village with a garage that can be rented nightly. This is the kind of property that has every ingredient for maximum revenue potential. Welcome to Timberstone Mountain Villa. If you've been looking for a Canmore property that has outstanding short-term rental appeal and serious revenue potential, this is a very compelling option. And now for this stunning villa. The main living level here has such a great feel to it, with the kitchen, living, and dining areas all opening together under these awesome vaulted wood ceilings. Huge windows bring in so much natural light here and open the whole space up to this incredible private setting at the back with beautiful trees, mountain views, and Policeman's Creek right behind you. There's also a lovely gas fireplace here, and the whole space opens up to this incredible view deck, complete with hot tub and these fabulous Three Sisters views. The kitchen here is gorgeous, beautifully finished with quartz counters, stainless steel appliances, and luxury finishes throughout. The island is the main attraction here, with plenty of space to spread out, put together an epic charcuterie board. It just gives that laid-back social feel that's so perfect for a mountain getaway. And this level also includes a guest bedroom and a full bath, which adds great flexibility for family and guest stays. The owners have added some really elegant touches here, like this beautiful herringbone tile, soft closed drawers and cabinetry, KitchenAid induction stove, tiled shower benches, an upgraded laundry room with solid wood cabinetry and gorgeous quartz folding counter, motion sensor stair lighting, ensuring the Fairmont fabulous experience. Now the entire top level is dedicated to the primary retreat, which feels like the perfect private escape. And there's a great little area to set up a makeup vanity. Perfect. And the primary ensuite is fantastic. We've got dual vanities, a deep soaker tub, an amazing step-in shower, and a private water closet. There's also a large walk-in closet and a spacious separate lock-off area for owner and rental supplies. And on the ground floor, you have 2 more good-sized guest bedrooms. Another full bath, a single-car garage that's roughed in for EV charging, and a huge storage area under the stairs, perfect for even more rental supply storage. Spring Creek is where guests want to be. It's Canmore's premium hotspot for vacation rentals. Walkable, picturesque, and designed to feel like a beautiful resort village in the mountains, with Main Street just a scenic stroll away. And the dining draw in Spring Creek, which guests already love, is about to get better. Bridget Bar is a huge attraction, and right next door, Hunter Canmore Steakhouse is opening soon, which will make this part of Spring Creek an even bigger draw for guests. And of course, Canmore is an incredible 4-season playground with so much to do. Skiing, hiking, biking, kayaking, all adding to its year-round destination appeal. When you combine the location of Spring Creek and its unrivaled guest appeal with a luxury 4-bedroom villa with single-car garage, the investment opportunity becomes very clear. If you'd like to see this home in person, please reach out. I'd love to show it to you. And we've got some great listings coming to market soon, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future tours. I'm Shailene Kosian with RE/MAX Alpine Realty.